Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Morning guys, it's the 17th of December and it is a Friday. We have made it to the end of the week. Woohoo! Guys, yesterday was a bit bittersweet yesterday. So all of our trade ideas hit their daily targets. But we didn't have an opportunity to get into the trades because they didn't retrace to our grey zones. So yeah, a little bit frustrating, but never mind. We will have days like that. Today is a new day and we have 4 potential trades for you today. The first one is this. So this is the Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. We had a bearish candlestick pattern form yesterday. Okay, so I still think we can take price back down to firstly this blue line at around 9152. Yeah, we've got a little bit of room to maneuver there, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to 9116. Okay, so we're shorting this market. Let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, we've got our grey zone here, guys. So what we want to see is price to retrace into this grey zone, all right? And then we're going to take price back down to the low, which is more or less our first daily target. And then we can leave some money on the trade and then take it back down to our second daily target. All right, guys, so that's, yeah, shorting the Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. The next trade is this. This is the pound against the Swiss franc. We had the pound interest rate decision yesterday, and we had the Swiss franc interest rate decision yesterday. So we had a large rejection candle, yeah, a very large wick. So I think we can take price back down to this blue line of 2180. Let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, we're looking for price to retrace up into this grey zone, guys. We're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern. Firstly, we can take price back down to this last low if the trade gives us a risk to reward of at least 1:1, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our daily target. All right, so yeah, the pound against the Swiss franc short. Our third trade today is this. This is the US dollar against the Japanese yen. So yesterday you can see we had a large bearish candle. All right, so I think we can take price back down to firstly this blue line of 113.31, and then potentially this blue line of 112.85. Let's look at H1 for execution. Okay, so yeah, what we're looking for, guys, is price to retrace into this grey zone. I'm looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price back down to this low, and then potentially we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our first daily target and even our second daily target. Guys, if you want to know how we plot the grey zones, what bullish and bearish candlestick patterns are, how I decide on our daily targets, then please subscribe to the channel and check out my tutorials. Okay, it will help you understand what we talk about every day. Okay, and then the final trade today is the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. So we've been trying to short this since yesterday. Yeah, so we had a bearish candle. I still think we have a lot of room to the downside. Firstly, 2751, and then our second target of 2652. Let's look at H1 for execution. Okay, so yeah, we've got our grey zone here, guys. So I'm looking for price to retrace into here. I'm looking for a bearish candlestick pattern. First of all, we'll take price back down to the last low. Then We can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to this target on the day chart, or even our second daily target. All right, guys, so US dollar against the Canadian dollar, short, we are selling this market. All right, guys, so they're the 4 trades for today. Let's have a look at the wonderful world of news. So it's been a couple of crazy days in terms of news, guys. Yeah, we've had central banks from everywhere releasing their interest rate decisions. So just take a deep breath, count to 10, and we can carry on with today. Before I start the news, guys, if you are enjoying this daily morning analysis and you're new to the channel, then please subscribe, hit the notification button, and then you will receive this daily morning analysis every single day, Monday to Friday, guys. Okay, so go ahead and do that. So the news today, we have another bank, the Bank of Japan. This gave its interest rate decision overnight, but this was as expected. Okay. The news we're interested in today is 7 o'clock GMT. We've got retail sales coming out of the UK. This is a 3-star rating. And then later on, we have the business climate coming out of Germany. This is a 3-star rating and can affect the euro. That's coming out at 9 o'clock GMT. At 10 o'clock GMT, we've got another 3-star rating, and that's the CPI. So this is basically inflation. And then after that, guys, no real news to speak of. Okay, so yeah, I hope you have a great trading day, guys. If you've enjoyed this morning's video, then please subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends, guys, and leave a comment if you like. I hope you have a most magnificently wonderful trading day and a great weekend, guys. All right, and then I will catch up with you on Monday. Adios, amigos.